guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul from Azure Beauty. They had sent this to me and I'm finally pretty much over you know what, so I can start filming again because man, it was tough. Now this is a crazy kit. Wow. Okay, so there are 22, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 pieces. That's crazy. And then they also provide some extra brushes, because if you know anything about dip powders, is you will harden your brush. There's not you might harden, it's you will harden. They also send you directions. I've done dip nails literally forever. And then it also comes with a little mini file. Super cute. And look at this brush. I actually really like this brush. This would be really good for ombres, like dropping it on. That's very nice. And then a buffing block. This is a full-size buffing block, not a miniature one. I do have miniature ones, but it's nice to have a big one. Let me get this out. So this is really neat. This is if you want to do French nails. So you would pour your powder in and then you go in like this and you can do a French nail. So these are always good to have, especially doing a French, and you don't have to worry about like taping it off and all that stuff. Let's get out your dip products. Okay, so you have your base, your activator. There we go, I know how to count. Your gel top coat. A gel top coat has to be cured, so make sure you are following the directions based on your lamp. And then a brush saver. I've never used a brush saver. Let me rephrase, I have, but it ended up just drying out like the whole gel or glue was dried out, like not just the brush. So this was kind of pointless at that time. So you get all of your dip essentials, I guess. And then you have a cuticle pusher, and you guys know I like these types of pushers because of, so that sharper edge lets you really get in there. So overall, so far I'm thinking this is a pretty good kit, especially for a do-it-yourselfer. Since these are so small, you would not probably want these as a professional. This is definitely geared, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed, towards a do-it-yourselfer, I guess, is the best way to put it. So let me get these out, hang on. If you have been with me, you guys know that I store my items in drawers, so the fact that these have numbers on the top make me really happy. So this is the one that had a little boo-boo, so I want to go ahead and get that one situated so I don't get it everywhere. I have realized that we are going to literally be here forever if I talk through me swatching all these. So I'm actually going to put some music on for you guys and fast forward me like doing the process, and then I will show you at the end of the swatch like what it looks like. So this is the only one I've seen do this. I don't know if it's like a UV activated, so we're gonna see if it turns back to blue. That was a lot of dip powders to get through, so if you made it this far, I give you props. Here is 113, here is 308, here is 292. I mean, this glitter, I need to bring it closer. This is going to literally look perfect on my skin tone. 307, and this is black. If you want black, this is your black. It is black. 315, 221, 190, 310. Another one of my favorites. This is for 242. Look at that. This reminds me of, oh, let me get it. Betty Davis glitter gel. I mean, that's pretty close, right? Like if I stuck that on top of it, you would probably think that is a swatch of that. This is a smaller glitter, but I mean, that's pretty close. Here is 71. I'm pretty sure you can tell that I am a glitter person. So this is 312, and this is beautiful. Like absolutely beautiful. 314, and there's a little glitter on this one because of that 312, but this is actually no glitter. Here is 109, and here is the one that came out purple, so it is a UV one. So this 14 is a UV, and it turns purple. 316, 313, and this is a beautiful sheer pink, or like a peachy pink, but I think this is such a pretty color, and this would look really good if you want something that's just kind of natural and just like an overlay. I really like that one. We got your Barbie pink with 291, 166, which is substantially darker. Some of them are darker when you swatch them than they are in the jar, so I'm glad I'm doing this video. 311. And last up is 309. Overall, I think this is a fantastic kit. Obviously I have some of my favorites, pretty much all the glitters, and then there was the one that changed colors. Just overall, I think it's a really good collection, and I think it's a great collection going into fall. So I will link it down below for you guys. I don't know what else to say. It's just a really good kit. And I was pleasantly surprised at how pigmented these guys are. So I have these guys just here. But look at how pigmented they are. These were 2 coats and then their top coat. I'm not a fan of the top coat because I like mine to be really glossy. And this is kind of like a shiny satin, if that makes sense. I'm not quite sure if you're gonna pick up on that. But overall, I think this is a home run. So I want to thank Azure Beauty for sending these over to me. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. And again, I will link them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.